Hi guys, hope you guys are well. Welcome back to the Prosthodontics series. This would be our lecture 3 and today we will be talking about complete denture prost. So let's begin. So some of the topics we will be covering in this video include combination syndrome, soft tissue considerations, and overdentures. So let's get started. So in the beginning, I want to talk a little bit about combination syndrome because I think it is always tested in the national boards for the past few years, and I really want us to hone it down. So combination syndrome is basically when a presence of a flabby ridge due to replacement of a bone by fibrous tissue, and it's seen most commonly in the anterior part of the maxilla. And the reason why is because the bone in the anterior part of the maxilla is much softer in comparison to the mandible or to the posterior portion of the maxilla.